raya berapa bulan? 3 bulan.
Agaknya kita kat Australia ni raya 3 bulan, 2 bulan. Guys,
Yeah.
when hari raya puasa?
On. Give me some chicks.
What happened, adik? What happened?
It was all gone.
What?
It was gone.